Okay, so let's have another example of solving rational equation with this given. 2 over x minus 3 over 2x is equal to 1/5. So the given denominators are x, 2x, and 5. So what would be the LCD of this set of denominators? Okay, so how did we get 10x? So that will now be the numerical value. You simply multiply 2 times 5, 10. And the common variable is x. Then the first step that we are going to do is to multiply the LCD on both sides of the equation or in each term. So here we are simply going to distribute this on the first term and on the second term. So to start with the first term, 10x times the first term 2 over x. So since you have x here and here, you can cancel that out. So canceling, we are now left with 10 times 2, which will now give you 20. Then you are also going to distribute 10x on the second term. So again, x and x cancelled. 10 times negative 3 will give you 30. And 30 divided by 2, that's how we got 15 here. And you have a negative sign times a positive, so you carry out the negative sign. Then we are now going to continue solving on the right side of the equation. 10x times 1/5. So 10 times 1 is 10 times x. So 10x divided by 5. So you have 2x here on the right side. Simplifying it further, so we don't have any term that will be transposed. So this 2 will now be simplified. The difference is 5, will be equal now to 2x. And the next step is for us to divide both sides by 2. Okay, so this will now be cancelled. We are left with x. And on the left side is 5 over 2. So 5 over 2 now is the value of 5 over 2 now is the value of x. And let's try to see if our answer is correct by again substituting the value of x in our original equation. So this is our original equation. We substitute the value of x on the first term denominator and on the second denominator, which has the variable x. So substituting the value of x, so 2 over 5 over 2 minus 3 over, you have 2 times your x, which is 5 over 2. Is it equal to 1/5? So that's what we are trying to find out. So simplifying, how did we get this? Again, we got the reciprocal of 5 over 2. So 2/5. Simplifying by multiplication, 2 times 2 is 4. And understood, you have a denominator there of 1. So 1 times 5, you have 5. Okay. So 2 times 2 is 4 over 5. Minus 3 there. Again, how did we get 1/5? So let's show how we got 1/5. So we cancel this out, or simply 2 times 5 is 10 divided by 2 is 5. But we have to get its reciprocal, which is 1/5. So 3 times 1/5 will now be equal to 1/5. Simplifying it further, so 3 times 1/5 is 3/5. Okay, so you have here 4/5 minus 3/5 is equal to 1/5. And you know already the rule in subtraction with similar denominators. So simply copy the common denominator and subtract the numerator. So 4 minus 1 is 1/5. So we have the correct answer in our value of x. Since we arrive at an equal equation, it was proven that the equation is true. Okay, so that's how we are going to solve rational equation. I hope this simple video of the step-by-step solving of rational equation help you understand our lesson for the second week, lesson 1 of our module. Thank you for your participation.